some more macrame. Let's add some more cords underneath the roving. I am adding a row of the vertical double clove hitch. The way I measured how much I'll need to use, and I'm hoping this is right, is the width of this canvas, I did it 7 times. We'll see. We'll see how it comes out. So I'm going to take one of these cords. I'm just going to put it on top. So this long cord that I'm using is underneath. I'm going to go under like that. And do it again. Do you remember this knot from the previous lessons? Tight together like that. Together. Tight. Pull it tight. See, I'm taking the cord from behind, just going to put it in front. I made a ball and then I just put a rubber band around it. And then if I need more, I just pull some out. Doing that, I think I have too many cords in here. Maybe not. But I think I'll skip the next one. Not sure. I skipped 2 cords back there. I don't want it to buckle. So I'm going to do that all the way to the end, and then I'll show you when I'm done. You don't need to watch me do this. Good morning, my friends. We are going to continue now. I'm going to add some more color. So here I have this beautiful wool roving. It is from Bernat Roving. The color is Low Tide. All right, so we're gonna do basically what we did up here. Starting on the end, I'm going around every 2 cords here. 2 cords. And this is going to be much easier than doing that because it's much thinner. Let me wind this up a little bit. It's hard to work with if it's too long. So you're just going to go over 2 cords. That, come around, back around, over it again, and then over the next 2. Can you hear the Christmas music in the background? It's that time of year. I love listening to Nat King Cole Christmas music. It's my favorite station. I asked Alexa, put on Nat King Cole Christmas music. Okay. See how it's going up nicely here? Whoops. This is a little too long. See? Just push it when you're going like uphill, going uphill. Just kind of push it up. Push it up like that. Okay, so I'm going to continue doing this, and then I'll put it a little faster speed so you don't have to, won't be too long of a video for you, okay? And now I have, let me finish this one. And now I have 2 at the end. Yep, did it right this time. Okay. And I'll just hook this somewhere on the side there. Now we'll go ahead and push this up. I'll do this to make sure it's looking beautiful. And there we go. And I'll tuck this in the back and weave this in. Let me cut this. Well, we are about ready to put our last knots on. Now I've cut some rope. I cut like 36 of them, I think. And this rope is just a little bit larger than this. This is a 4 millimeter that we used. This is 4.5. And what I'm going to do, what I did here, there's, we did around 2 in the last weaving. So I took 3 cords and I did this. We're going to do the vertical clove hitch just like we did up here. Instead of doing it 2 times, I did it 3 to give a little extra length here. So I cut this rope several inches on each side longer than the strings that I have currently falling. I'm going to take 2. You remember how to do this? Watch. Around once, bring it through. It's the vertical clove hitch. And again, pull it tight, push it up, okay. But instead of just 2, I'm doing it 1 more time. Okay, now, after we're all done doing all these, we're gonna untwist all of these, and it's gonna be very full, so it will look very nice. I probably cut these longer than I should have. I always rather cut it longer than not, because I'm not really sure at what length I'm going to be cutting this whole piece. I haven't quite decided. And this is the 3rd time around that knot. See? I'm just hanging these on the side. You can see, I just have them all hanging here. I like these stands. Yeah, they're so helpful. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we're going to do that all the way across. And then you don't need to see this, so I will then show you when we're done. Okay, we are almost done. We have 2 more to go. And on the very end, there's 3 cords, just like we had. Let's see if I can get you closer. 3 cords, just like on the other end. Okay, now I just want to put them side to side, make sure that they're tight. We are all done with this part. They've all been put on. I have unraveled all of the cords. I've given it a rough cut. And our next step will be to line the back of this piece. We will make it look professional and beautiful, and then we will give a final cut.